In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn everything about 205/6510 golf cart tires. We have sold over 1 million golf cart tires here at the golfcarttiresupply.com. And when it comes to golf cart owners who want a 10-inch wheel on their cart, but want a little more ride cushion than a typical 205/5010 tire can provide, well, that's where 205/6510 ComfortRide tires come to the rescue. And there's a few reasons why this taller tire size is so popular for 10-inch golf cart wheels. The first reason is that these tires fit many carts without a lift kit. So 205/6510 tires are 20.5 inches tall, and your factory wheel and tire assembly is 18 inches tall. So the 205/6510 tires stand about 2.5 inches taller overall than your factory tire height. And many carts actually have no problem fitting this tire size without a lift kit. And that would include all E-Z-Go golf carts, your TXTs, your RXVs. That includes Yamaha G29 and Drive and newer Yamaha Drive 2 carts. And it's going to include all Evolution EV golf carts. They can all fit this tire size, 20.5 inches, without a lift kit. For other carts such as Club Car, that would be Club Car Tempo, Onward, Precedent, DS, and then your Yamaha G Series carts that are older, such as a G1 through a G22, and newer Icon EV carts, really all Icon EV carts, the I-Series models, they will require a 3-inch lift kit to fit a 20.5 inch tall tire. But that being said, many carts can fit this tire size and get this extra comfort without a lift kit. The second reason is the amazing ride quality that 205/6510 tires provide. And when you're moving up from an 8-inch wheel like this to a 10-inch wheel, you get 2 inches more beauty on your cart by having those bigger wheels, but you lose a little bit of sidewall height on a 205/5010 tire, say. So that can lead to a little bit of a firmer ride quality. But 205/6510 tires solve that issue because they actually have 5.3 inches of sidewall, and your factory golf cart tires only have 5 inches of sidewall height. So the 205/6510 tires have more sidewall than your factory golf cart tires, which means they are going to ride incredibly smoothly. It is a ton of meat on the tire for a 10-inch wheel size, just like you can see here. So our customers swear by the comfort that 205/6510 tires can provide. The third reason is that 205/6510 golf cart tires are turf safe. And the reason that they're turf safe is on average, they have a tread depth of 6 to 7 millimeters deep. So that's how deep the tread is on your tire when you're looking just down at the top of the tire or over the shoulder of the tire. And you can even see here that the 205/6510 tires have a very similar tread depth to your factory sawtooth golf cart tires. So 6 to 7 millimeter tread depth on this tire size means that these tires are safe enough for even the nicest country clubs in the world, and they're definitely safe enough for your local golf course. And the fourth reason is that all the major brands make this tire size, so you have tons of options and you can get them for a great price. Some of the most popular ones that we sell Wanda 205/6510 tires, we sell Excel 205/6510 tires, we sell Trex 205/65 R10 tires. It's a radial tire. And then Arison has a nice 205/6510 tire. I mean every brand, and when I say every brand makes this tire size, and it's for good reason. The last consideration before you buy a set of 205/6510 golf cart tires for your cart is, do you want a bias ply tire or do you want a radial version of this tire? So the regular 205/6510 tires are just going to be stamped in the sidewall just like this, 205/6510, while the radial version of these tires will be stamped 205/65 R10. This is the Trex Comfort Glide radial tire. And what that is going to mean, the R means there are steel belts in this tire, giving it a radial construction. So these will ride a bit smoother, they're gonna last quite a bit longer for you, and they're gonna allow your cart to have a higher top speed. But they do cost a little bit more because they have those steel belts inside of them. No matter what 205/6510 tire type you choose though, this is one of the most popular tires on the market for good reason. It fits on many golf carts without a lift kit. It's extremely comfortable in its ride quality, and it works at every single golf course because it's turf safe. So if you want a more comfortable ride on your 10-inch set of golf cart wheels, rest assured you cannot go wrong choosing 205 65 10 tires for your cart. We hope this tire video helped you out a lot. If it did, please drop us a like because it helps out our channel. Subscribe to our channel because we have lots of cool golf cart content coming your way. And please head over to GolfCartTireSupply.com to get new wheels and tires for your golf cart. We have the coolest stuff ever, and we really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Take care.